Hi, Jerry Street, MarineMax brokerage consultant. Today we're on a 2020 54 Cruisers Yachts Cantius with 116 hours on it. This boat is impeccably kept. Aft we have a full wraparound seating area with a propane grill, ice maker, and aft joystick access controls. As you enter the aft sliding door, the main salon is all a single level with a galley, 2 seating areas, and the helm with double Garmin screens is located all on the same level. Joystick and digital controls are at the helm also. I'm here to assist you 7 days a week to find the boat of your dreams. Whether it's a new boat, a pre-owned boat, or a brokerage boat, if I don't have the boat available locally, we have a nationwide network of 98 stores where I can find the boat you're looking for. My contact information is 210-639-9801 or jerry.street@marinemax.com. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to earning your business.